Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a gentle dragon named Draco. Unlike other dragons, Draco did not breathe fire or scare people. Instead, he loved to plant flowers and care for a magical garden hidden deep in the forest. One sunny morning, as Draco watered his rainbow-colored roses, he heard a soft crying sound. Curious, he followed the sound and found a little girl named Mia sitting under a big oak tree, tears rolling down her cheeks. "Why are you crying?" Draco asked softly, his big green eyes full of kindness. Mia looked up, surprised. "I lost my golden locket. It was a gift from my grandmother, and I can't find it anywhere." Draco smiled warmly. "Don't worry, Mia. I'll help you find it." Together, they searched through the magical garden. They peeked under giant mushrooms, behind sparkling waterfalls, and even inside glittering flower petals. But the locket was nowhere to be found. Just as they were about to give up, Draco's nose twitched. "I smell something shiny," he exclaimed, following the scent to a patch of golden sunflowers. There, hidden among the blooms, was Mia's golden locket. "You found it," Mia cheered, hugging Draco tightly. "Thank you, Draco. You're the best dragon ever." Draco chuckled happily. Friends always help each other. From that day on, Mia and Draco became the best of friends, spending their days playing in the magical garden, sharing stories, and helping anyone who needed a friend. And so, the friendly dragon and the kind girl lived happily ever after, their friendship a testament to the power of kindness and the magic found in unexpected places.